Shanaya, how are you?
Hello, dear one. It is always our joy, our passion, our excitement to be here and now.
Thank you. Very synchronistically, with your arrival, outside started fireworks.
Yes,
Would you like to start with a message, or I can ask you questions?
we would like to explore with you the fireworks. These fireworks are a beautiful synchronistic sign of the energy of passion, the energy of love, just expressing itself freely, abundantly, lovingly. You could say these are the fireworks of the heart. They symbolize a celebration, true celebration of the spirit when one is following their true will, their true passion, their true joy and excitement. Life is emanating through them like fireworks, and it creates a beautiful scenery and a beautiful feeling and a beautiful presence.
What a beautiful message. Thank you so much. I would like to ask you about some. Before, for a couple of years, I was always waking up very early in the morning, between 4 and 5, and even without a waking alarm. And recently, for a couple of months, it's very hard for me to wake up early in the morning. And I was wondering, what is the reason for that?
Your body is a perfect tool that can always guide you through your everyday life and can always, you can follow its signals and it will tell you where you are at. Very often, you are releasing, and we mean all of you on the earth, you are releasing many things during your sleep. So maybe right now your body needs to let go. And here you have working together your body, your soul, and your spirit using the permission slip of your sleep to release and let go. So, through accepting this process, because apparently your body needs that right now, you will be more in alignment with your true self. So, be grateful, be joyful that you are letting go, because these are things that are no longer serving you, that are no longer necessary for you on your path.
Thank you very much. And you mentioned the body, the soul, and the spirit. How these three aspects work together?
As you know, in your court, you are a spirit, an emanation of the formless dimension. And you have temporarily, you are connected to a soul. The spirit, upon incarnation, chooses a soul, which has its plan for this lifetime, the challenges that it wishes to go through, the lessons it wishes to learn, the experiences, the connections that it wishes to make. And so this soul chooses carefully the body that will serve her or them to fulfill its purpose. So spirit is the highest level. Then we have the soul, which is connected to the oversoul, a group of souls that are connected to an oversoul. And then this soul, the lowest level, is your body, connected to the physical reality. And so these three aspects work together as a team to fulfill your purpose. You have planned everything very carefully before your incarnation as a spirit, and you have your soul contracts with the other beings that you are interacting with in this lifetime. So all of this is part of your divine plan. And that is why synchronicity is a perfect advisor, because it reminds you of your choices, of your soul contracts, of your plan. Does that answer your question?
Amazing answer. Thank you so much. And my next question is, when we are yawning and we're in a room with people, when one starts to yawn, and usually a lot of people start doing this as well. What is the reason for that?
The reason is that you are very connected, more than you actually realize. You are part of the same energy field, especially when you are in the same room. And it's like there is resonance between you and the other people in the room. And the frequency, the frequency, your frequency and the frequency of the other person start to resonate with each other and to form this particular energy field. And it is like a mirror. You are mirroring the other person and the other way around. They are also mirroring you. So that there is an equilibrium and a consistent energy field. If the energy field in one of the beings changes drastically, the other person will also experience a change within them. They might have a reaction to it, but they will register it on some level.
Thank you.
And that is where the yawning occurs. This is part of the energies mirroring each other and equilibrating.
While we were answering this question, I yawned 3 times.
We are very happy that you are releasing, that you are coming closer to yourself and opening yourself to receive the higher energies.
Thank you. And my next question is, after channeling, usually I feel very hungry and in a beautiful state. I feel much happier after channeling, but then I also feel very hungry. And I was wondering if it is a late hour in the night, as usually it is it okay still to eat?
It is okay to honor your body and to honor your needs, because sometimes it is a good thing to do to tune into yourself in every moment and ask yourself, why am I feeling hunger? Is it because my body needs nourishment? Is it because I am not anchored in the present moment and I need to ground myself and see which is the better way to ground yourself right now? Sometimes it is food. Food is a gift from your earth. It allows you to connect to the ground, to connect to yourself as a child of Gaia. Sometimes the body says, I'm hungry because it needs grounding. And there are other ways to ground yourself, like doing the spiritual practice, like returning to the present moment, which is in itself a spiritual practice. So tune to yourself and be present. If you reach the conclusion that your body is hungry and needs nourishment, choose a food that will truly nourish you. Be present while you're consuming that food. Have a relationship to that food. Be grateful for this gift of the earth. Program it, bless it, so that this energy nourishes, replenishes, rejuvenates your body.
Beautiful. Thank you very much. And my last question is, in my magical practices, I every day make a ritual for merging with the Egyptian deity Bennu. And I was wondering exactly what is happening on the energetic level and how this what is happening on the energetic level could affect my physical reality experience.
When you are merging with the goddess Bennu, you are actually merging with a very ancient primordial energy that is connected to yourself. It is connected to your spirit and to your soul. And so, in this incarnation, you have chosen to remind yourself of that connection and to ground it in yourself through the permission slip of the magical ritual. And so, by performing this ritual, you are energetically anchoring this energy within your physical reality so that it becomes part of your physical experience, so that you can channel this energy and so that it can assist you in fulfilling your true will, so that you can share this energy with the others, assisting them and reminding them of who and what they truly are.
I resonate so much with this answer. Thank you very much for this beautiful interaction.
We thank you for sharing your heart with us, because this allowed us to share our hearts with you as well. And we thank you for this beautiful, loving interaction. You're always loved, you're always appreciated, you're always worthy, you're always connected. We thank you for existing, for being. Our unconditional love and deepest appreciation.